Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1109th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, good evening. This video is being filmed on, what day are we in? Is this like Tuesday, Wednesday? Do you know what day this is? Tuesday. Today is, well, I never know. I get so involved in these markets, I can't tell you if it's Monday or Thursday. But anyway, according to my videographer, it is Tuesday. This video is being filmed for Wednesday through the end of Thanksgiving holiday weekend. But right now, we'll call it 11/27/13. Traders, first of all, happy Thanksgiving to you Americans that are going to celebrate Thanksgiving. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your holiday. For me, having like 4 days off in a row, that's like going on vacation to an island, and I don't even know. It's going to be like I haven't even ever traded in my life by the time I get back. So I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I'm not even going anywhere. Anyway, hey, 4 days off is a lot for a guy like me. All right, traders. So for Thanksgiving, have a good time, but listen, the charts are wildly bullish in the U.S. indices. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. But it's not so pretty looking for gold or crude oil. Traders, we know futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss and is not suitable for all trading accounts. So whatever happens in this chart segment next, remember, never trade without stops. You got to know what you're doing if you're going to trade futures. You can absolutely lose your shirt. However, technical analysis is the best roadmap I have ever found in my entire life for telling my Omniacs, you fans, where these markets are going to go tomorrow. And I've done that enough times to know I've caught a lot of attention out there. So there's nothing like technical analysis. I'm going to show you that in charts right now. Traders, I don't know. I looked at the charts I'm about to show you. I've got a great chart segment coming up. I love these charts. So pay attention. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, good evening. Look at these charts. These are fantastic. Here's where we stand right now. This is right before the Thanksgiving Day holiday. So we'll trade a little bit longer and then we'll close for Thanksgiving. Then I don't think there's anything that's going to trade till Sunday night. And this is the situation. So going forward from Sunday night on, we have F flag into bull flag in your emini S&P. Flags are absolutely flying. That's a bullish formation. You gotta love what you see here in your emini S&P. Traders, if you'd like for me to explain this to you in specific detail, come on down to livewithoscar.com. I'll see you in my free chat room. For now, bull flag, which means the market is bullish and should move higher. This worked, that one should work too. Here's your emini S&P. Next chart, beautiful, beautiful chart here, the NASDAQ. We've been working inside of this channel, right? And you can see top, bottom. So we're working inside of this channel. I contend that this channel has morphed into something different. This is what that channel has morphed into. Same chart, same everything. Except for the channel that was this way, if you ask me, has morphed into this one. There's a lot of room up here. We have morphed into a much bigger channel. Look at the room you have to move higher in the NASDAQ as we mark time towards the end of the year. Then you've got the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right, traders? You remember this. How many times have I shown you this chart? Then we got above what we just experienced this week was this bull flag that we broke out of. And we've got above that. So here's the channel that we've been working inside of, right? And I say that this has morphed into something grander. Lots of room to rally here. I say this is the new channel it's morphed into, and you can end up here. Lots of room to rally. Look at how you've gotten above this. Traders, look at how many times it couldn't do it. And then you do get above, you stay above, you build a bull flag, and you continue on. We are moving higher. These are wildly bullish looking charts, I kid you not. Let's continue to look at more. Look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average. This is a wonderful channel. This is a wonderful channel. We're going all the way up here. That looks perfect. And then there's more. Look at this gem of a chart. Traders, a lot of information on this chart. E-mini S&P, this is your weekly bar chart. The highest it's ever traded. Whoa, bull market to 2007. Big crash. 2008 to 2009 lows. In this channel ever since the lows. Now look at this, very important. Failure at the top of the channel, failure at the top of the channel, failure at the top of the channel, not this time around. I showed you this chart many weeks ago and said the ES is about to breach the upper resistance line on the weekly bar. Well, now we are 3 weeks above this line, and this line is the one that goes all the way back to the crash, and this is the bottom of it. Traders, that's a perfect channel. We have gotten above it. We're sitting up here now. That is wildly bullish. And let me just say, this is absolutely not official, because until the year comes to an end, I can't give you an official estimate on where we're going next year. But so far, preliminary estimates are possibly as high as 2,100. You know, we'll call it 21 to 2,200 right now. Preliminary in the emini S&P before this big bubble that we're in finally bursts. Now, I don't know if that'll be the top, and I don't know if that'll be the final projection when I come out with it next year, you know, January, but that's what I'm getting preliminary. We'll see where that goes. So traders, take a look at it. This gold chart is fantastic. I've been showing this to you for a long time. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, bear flag, breakdown, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inside of the right shoulder, bear flag, breakdown, bear flag, breakdown. Now we've got this blue channel. Something very, very interesting. The other night, last night actually, I seen this channel get hit. I sent out this very same chart on Facebook and in my chat room and said, if it were not for the possibility of holiday reversals, we should sell the crap out of this trend line right here. It just hit it. You know, we dropped, I don't know, $11, $12, $15 in gold since it hit that spot. And all this really is another bear flag building here anyway. So down we go, likely to the bottom of this channel and more in gold. Gold does not look good. You've still got the bigger formation, which has a projection down here, which we haven't even gotten to yet. All we're doing right now is filling in the projections or meeting the projections of the bear flags one after another inside of a small channel. Once we break out of that, this projection starts to kick in. Very interesting in gold. Then traders, of course, we move to a market I don't show you all the time in my videos, but look at this. A reason for me showing you this is because when crude oil goes down, it is an automatic stimulus package for every country on this planet. If you make a product, if you need energy in any way, shape, or form to do anything, drive to the store, you name it, you get an immediate shot in the arm when crude oil gets cheaper. The whole world feels it, not just us. Big, big head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Look at this wonderful bear flag in the breakdown into a smaller bear flag, the dark blue one, in a breakdown. Look at the bear flag we're in right now. Look at this bad boy. It is perfect. Get ready for this. You still got the huge head and shoulders. What's more interesting, it's been a long time since you got below the 200 bar moving average, but you are there now. You've been below it for quite some time. Lots of bear flags flying around here. This one worked. Drop into this one. This one worked into this one. This one should work. Crude oil does not look very good right here, nor does gold. Traders, I hope this helps keep you in tune for what's going to happen when we come back from the Thanksgiving Day holiday. Of course, the world could have a crazy event and all of this could change, but barring something unforeseen, this is your analysis for coming back Sunday, Monday next week. Traders, were those not wonderful charts or what? Those were amazing. I love them. All right, listen. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll video 1109. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com for the bull move. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.